Denmark will purchase 115 CV90 combat vehicles in a deal valued at 9.975 billion Danish kroner, 1.35 billion euros, from BAE Systems Hägglunds. According to information released on European Union's official procurement portal, TED, the Danish combat vehicles will be of the CV9035 Mk IIIC model, the same version recently ordered by Sweden to replace vehicles donated to Ukraine. Reports in April from the Danish broadcaster TV2 indicated that the negotiations for this purchase were in their final stages, according to sources within the channel. The official announcement comes just a day after the Danish and Swedish prime ministers visited BAE Systems Hägglunds facility in Örnsköldsvik, Sweden. Denmark first ordered CV90 combat vehicles in 2005 and has since deployed them in Afghanistan. In March, BAE Systems signed a 15-year framework agreement with the Danish Defence Acquisition and Logistics Organization (DALO), worth approximately $400 million for the repair and maintenance of Denmark's CV90 fleet. Sweden and Denmark signed a letter of intent in December to jointly procure additional CV90 vehicles for Ukraine. Initially, Denmark committed 1.8 billion Swedish kroner to support this initiative, with Sweden facilitating the procurement under the agreement made between the Swedish Defence Materiel Administration (FMV) and Ukraine earlier this summer.